After spending 3 months at Mesa Sunset RV Resort in Mesa, Arizona during the winter, here are our thoughts. We want to give an honest review so others can make an educated decision if this is the park for them. We will start with the pros. These are our thoughts, and you may feel differently. We liked that we were about 20 to 40 minutes away from everything we wanted to do and see, such as hiking, visiting friends and family, the Elks Lodge, restaurants, and more. Our neighbors were nice. They are an all-age park, which is actually difficult to find. Most are 55 plus. They're directly across the street from a grocery store, although the traffic made this a con as well. They have a heated pool and a hot tub. They have a large rec room, tables outside, and laundry on site. And now for the cons. They are along 2 very busy roads, so not only is there traffic, especially after January 1, but it's very noisy. They are butted up against a very popular and lively bowling alley. There were weekly fights around 1 a.m. and people making all kinds of noise throughout the night. We barely slept 3 months we were there. They have you sign a massive rental agreement, but don't seem to really have anyone enforcing the rules. If you want more details on this, feel free to message us. The pool was warm-ish. We asked if they'd turn it up by 2 degrees, and we were told we can't make everyone happy, which we understood, but we rarely saw others use the pool, and I tried to do pool aerobics regularly. The hot tub did not appear to be cleaned. Once they got it back up and running after it had pond dye in it that stained my suit and our nails, it always had a layer of loose sand on the bottom and eventually got dingy. We stopped using it. They have rats. We understand that they cannot control the rat population, but they refuse to try. When we spoke to the manager about having rats that caused us $100 in damages plus $100 in rat poisons and traps and many nights of sleep, she said that she was aware of residents having rats. When we said that they didn't seem to, or that we didn't see any bait boxes throughout the park, we were told we would never do that, meaning they would never put out bait boxes to try and get rid of the rats. This is mostly a full-time resident park, so it really doesn't cater to travelers. There were very few activities outside of a Wednesday night after school type program, and we rarely saw people at the pool because they were at work and then coming home from work and doing their normally day-to-day tasks. And last but not least, if you have a dog, their quote-unquote dog park is at the very end of the RV park and is quite often full of poo. We frequently saw people that lived closer to the front of the park take their dogs to the gravel area near the clubhouse, where we also saw children playing regularly. So there you have it. That's our honest review of Mesa Sunset RV Resort. We would not stay there again, mostly because of the noise, but also because of the other reasons we mentioned. We hope this review helps you to decide if it may be the right place for you or not.